Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ariza. I'm from MTS Alima Asum, Krapyak, Yogyakarta. Today, I will teach you how to make plant pots from plastic recycling. Brighten your windowsills by making your own colorful plant pots out of plastic recycling. Plastic food and drink containers are perfect for plant pots. So, rather than put them in the recycling bin, repurpose them. For example, make jugs, bottles, yogurt pots, and whatever you've got into beautiful planters for herbs, seeds, flowers, or even rescued vegetable scraps like spring onion roots. Now, let's make it. All you need is a brush, a marker, scissors, and some paint for transform your pots with your favorite design. It can be scenes under sea, woodland animals, and decorative works of art. Now, let's make it. First, if you using large plastic bottles, draw a line about a third way up from the bottom. And you can also draw an outline for some ears or eyes here if you're making them into animals. Next, cut along the line. Now, paint your pots and leave them to dry completely. Customize them with acrylic paints with your favorite design. Next, to make drainage holes, heat up the heater and stick it on through your plant pot's bottom, and you got to be carefully because this is very hot. After that, this is the last step. Ta-da! You can fill it with compost, plant and water your seeds, and place them on warm sunny spot. Okay, so I hope you guys make this at your home because it's cute too. And thank you for you all. And that's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.